In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. So I will show the step-by-step process to change the Facebook profile picture. So if you want to learn it, please watch this video. First of all, you have to go to your Facebook profile. Then you will see, if you want to change the profile picture, you have to click on the camera option. Then this option will come. From here you have to select profile picture, then you choose one picture you want to add, then you can save it by clicking here. Now the option is save as uploading your profile picture option showing here. Then after few seconds you found that the profile picture has updated on your profile. Then you just click on three dot, then edit privacy. Here you will see now public is enabled. From here, if you select only me, then one lock option will become. So I'm selecting only me. After selecting only me, if we check post, then we'll see that from public it will show as a lock, means it is the only you can see this post. No one will notify this post. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.